It's not yet raining that much, only drizzling. There's a dog coming. Oh God, some dog, and there are bulls over here. Bulls over here. Not bull, guy. Because मैंने एक जन को बोला ये आपकी बुल है, तो उसने बोला नहीं ये मेरी गाय है. फिलहाल तो अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा ड्रिजल ही कर रहा है, लेकिन आसमान देख के लग रहा है कि आज तो शाम को बहुत जोर से बारिश आने वाली है. पता नहीं संचिता आ पाएगी कि नहीं. But at least my work is done. At least I could go and see the patient, and at least I'm happy about that. So no stress, because I don't think I need to go out again. I got my errands and saw the patient. तो बारिश अब धीमे. ये देखिए पंछी लोग. Can you see there? See कितने सारे कबूतर छत पे बैठे हुए हैं. It's a change, and change is always a constant. यहाँ देखिए तो चलने की जगह माशाल्लाह really bad. Oh, this thing is irritating me. परल ये देखिए ये बाजू वाला रोड चलना तो इम्पॉसिबल है. थोड़े दिन के बाद I will shift to the other side because oh it's raining now. It's raining. So now it's raining, but I'll walk it up. Yes, I'll walk it up. Oops, I didn't see that. Sorry. I irritated someone in his car. He got scared. बारिश का मौसम. एक ज़माने में मेरी मम्मी ना सिमरन और आकांक्षा को लेके छोटी थी, दोनों को लेके फर्स्ट बारिश में मम्मी used to take them out and they used to play or they used to get drenched. So they say that first बारिश you should always get drenched. Not my mobile. If my mobile gets drenched, तो मेरे पटके लग जाएंगे. ये देखिए पड़ल और सिंपल वाला मोबाइल है. Okay. Feeling nice. The weather after that sultry heat, but I enjoyed my sultry heat too. Lot of vitamin D. My pigmentation, मेरा जो pigmentation हुआ था, that's nearly gone. So no stress. देखिए अभी सब यहाँ पर जो है रोड ब्लॉक्स हो रहे हैं because of water. सब्जी मार्केट लग चुकी है. 4 बजने का टाइम आ गया है. Life has to go on. Nothing stops, okay? Nothing stops because of rain. आगे जैसे जाते रहेंगे वैसे आपकी सब्जियों की दुकान चालू रहेगी. Oh, he's coming in full speed. He is the master of the game. Bouquets which I don't like. I don't like to receive bouquets. I don't get bouquets if I don't like using bouquets. Okay, so you guys, I'm just putting my mobile inside because I don't want it to get wet anymore. See you guys till then exhale, and I'm enjoying the rain. Enjoying the rain. I don't know, this is Samsung wala. See you guys, bye.